Hi, this is Greg Zwiker, and welcome back once again to my Brazos Valley Community Video Blog, where I bring you interesting ideas, facts, and information about the community right here in Bryan-College Station, as well as some fun things from in and around the Brazos Valley. You may notice today's location is coming to you from the George Bush Presidential Library and Museum, which opened its doors in November of 1997. If you've never been to the library before, this local attraction chronicles the life and legacy of our 41st President, George Herbert Walker Bush. Inside, the exhibit brings you all sorts of interesting things, from a video of his very first footsteps as a young toddler in Kennebunkport, Maine, to exact replicas of what the Oval Office looked like during his presidency, as well as the aircraft that he flew in World War II. Heck, there's even a parachute that he used to safely skydive with the U.S. Army's Golden Knights when he turned 72. Of course, he did that again when he turned 85, but Barbara said that's the last time he'll ever do that again. In June, we have a birthday celebration. In fact, we have two of them, celebrating former First Lady Barbara and George's birthdays, complete with cake and ice cream from the Little Creamery just down the road in Brenham. This is one birthday party you don't need an invitation to. And of course, in July, the biggest finale almost of every year is the celebration of our nation's independence, where we have a fireworks spectacular, probably some of the biggest fireworks I've ever seen. In addition to the annual events that takes place, the exhibits change here all throughout the year. Some of the past exhibits that people have loved was the story and the history of wine, and examining America's pastime, the history of baseball. And the White House in miniature came through, which was probably the biggest, smallest exhibit that's ever been here at the library before. And most recently, adults and children alike are learning about the secret of life as the genome, the human genome, is on display at the library currently. The George Bush Presidential Library and Museum is a fun place to visit. It's also very educational, it's very entertaining, and it's changing all the time. Thank you once again for visiting and watching my Brazos Valley Community Video Blog. Stay tuned. Our next story may be about a place or an event that's right around the corner from you.